What's up, guys? This your boy O, back with another video. Laced and Fitted is the channel now. Today we got an unboxing video. New kicks that just came in the mail, so I thought I'd shoot the unboxing. My first time looking at them. Be y'all first time looking at them with me. Straight unbox. So let's get right to it real quick. 380. Y'all see the brown box. Pair of Yeezys. Check them out. Alright. Typical brown box, always expected. I went with a size 10.5. I'm usually a 10. I want a size bigger. It's my first pair of 380, so I wasn't sure how they was gonna fit. Colorway, it says bloat, bloat. Let's crack them open. All right. They do look a little small, so I'm glad I went a half size up. Like I said, I don't know how these fit, but I know my V2s are usually a size 10, my 350s. So, first impression, I actually like them. Copped this pair off of YEEZY Supply. I'm gonna get a little closer, give y'all more of a close-up look before I try them on and show y'all what they look like on feet, tell y'all how they feel. I actually like them though. I like the colorway. I like the random blue. That's what sold me. I know some people don't like the blue. You know, the blue has kind of like this is the prime knit. The blue has like a plastic feel. Let me get a little closer. Bam. That's the shoe up close. Definitely look like the same pattern as other 380s I've seen. This is my first pair in hand. I didn't even check out the bottom. That boost. I do like this bottom choice. I just wish it didn't have to come up so high. But yeah, overall I do like the shoe. I like the colorway. Little salmon up here. This is like, I would say orange. Looks like an orange. Different shades of brown. You got like a brown there, a darker brown there. The blue, of course. Shoestrings look tan. The inside is blue. I like them. I'm not gonna lie. Cop these off YEEZY Supply. Fairly easy process for once on YEEZY Supply. Did not get my card denied, surprisingly. It's like a little cushion on the inside. Nice, nice. So yeah, I'm about to, that's another look at them. I'm about to throw these on, show y'all what they look like on feet. I just noticed the inside blue, for some reason, is a little bit lighter than the outside blue. They got a lot of perforated holes on the side as well. Not sure why. Still kind of dope though. So I'm gonna try them on, see what they feel like. I'll be right back. There they go on foot, guys. Let me give y'all a better shot. I just wanted to talk to y'all about the fit real fast. First, I definitely like the overall shape versus the 350s. You know, not much of a duck foot look. Very simple look. I will say this though, like I said, I told y'all I'm a 10, and these are 10.5s, and these feel a little snug. I feel like I could have went a whole up to an 11 in these just to be comfortable. So they definitely run small. The rest of they look small, so let's look them at the box. So they do seem like they run small. I could have went a whole whole size up, not a half size. Because my 10s and the 350s fit good. But yep, I'm gonna set the camera down, give y'all a better look. Just wanted to chat.